Alright, to get her going, I do a long press, about 3 or 4 seconds, it vibrates. And then I do a short press, and I should get a vibration. And now we can go underwater and do some video. Let's do it. Alright, so first we're going to take a look at this robot that's crawling up the side of the wall. There it is. That's the actual video from the camera. And yeah, it's working pretty good. Here is another shot of me, and that's the shell box that I'm using to record this. And you can see there's the little camera in my hand facing it back towards my face, and it reverses. But that's it right there. Bam,
All right,
done.
Let's get the video off this thing. Pop it out. Okay. And we got to go to the side. Pop it. And there it is. Smush it. Pop it right out, just like that. Now we got to take this. We got to put it in an adapter. You follow me? So let me grab an adapter. Here we go. And so you're going to put it in like this, just so you guys know. And now we can put this in the computer and we can look at it. In the meantime, I'm going to charge this. Got a USB-C right here. Just plug it in. And tomorrow we'll be ready to party. Just let it sit over there for a while. And Bob's your uncle.